probably seen headlines about Costco selling gold bars lately, and in case you haven't, yes, they are selling this exact gold bar. Today I will share with you why they are selling them and why they don't have any in stock. It's becoming one of the phenomenons that I've seen and followed online for a couple weeks now. In terms of why Costco is selling gold bars, that is quite an easy one to answer. Money, right? Gold is thriving right now, and a brand that does $237 billion annually did not get there by selling you 400 rolls of toilet paper in bulk. Let's just be honest, they're smart people. In the last 22 years, the company has grown its revenues over 600%, and they largely made such impressive strides in a space not known for crazy growth by following consumer trends. Consumers are buying gold bars in record amounts right now. Costco has a huge reach, of course, boasting over 127 million members, including myself. So again, with a reach like that, you want to sell things that consumers are flocking to. And right now, Costco is getting people to buy gold bars. Now, Costco is probably the last place I would ever think that would sell gold bars, but with the reach like they have, I cannot say that I blame them. So why are they running out of these Pamp Suisse gold bars so quickly? This exact Pamp Suisse gold bar that I've had since 2006, and I've got many more in my IRA account. But for starters, they really don't have that much inventory because they aren't a typical gold company that specializes in this kind of stuff. Wholesale products like toilet paper, bulk food, soda is what they specialize in. Now, also, unlike every other item that you find at Costco, they do not sell these in bulk. So that right there, this little bar, trades for about $2,000. But if you haven't followed the channel, you'll know that financial minds like Robert Kiyosaki and Michael Lee have predicted that the price of this exact bar could range between $3,000 and $5,000, and even predictions reach $75,000. Now, they aren't the only ones to make predictions like this, and if you're looking for a safe investment, this is the best gold bar that I can recommend. On that note, that's why Greg and I are here. We talk about the economy and urge people to take action to protect their wealth, especially right now in times of crazy inflation and even more recently, and what's going to continue, geopolitical turmoil. Now, if you're looking for places to park money, take a look at the pinned comment below and you'll see our newsletter link. Once you subscribe, you'll get a 100% free newsletter of charge, right? We send this out and it's a welcome email. You'll get a free wealth protection kit that I personally invested in and use that to add these to my IRA. Again, it's 100% free to check out, so feel free to check it out if that's something you're interested in. Now, back to this exact gold bar right here, and there it is up close and personal. Gold has risen more than 15% over the last year and over 55% in the last 5 years. The Pamp Suisse that I'm holding right now is made by the Credit Suisse Group and made by Pamp, and it's widely considered the most prestigious, tradable, and liquid gold bar on the market. There's a few others up there, but to me, this is the Rolls Royce of gold bars. And that's why Costco started carrying them, because they knew they had to carry the best. They couldn't carry some knockoff, right? There's nothing better than this one right here. Now, I have these at home, as you can see, and inside my precious metal IRA. Every one of them comes with a digital certificate, and you can access that with a QR code. Speaking of that, whether you're looking for a gold bar for home storage like this one right here, or retirement, the best company that can help you with this on both fronts is listed below in the pinned comment. So make sure to check that out if you're interested in putting gold or even silver at home or in your IRA account like I did. There's a questionnaire that can also get you more information if you're interested in that. Now, the company that I recommend below has done over $2 billion in sales of bars just like this for many, many years, and it is all they do, and they do it well. It's safe to say that unlike Costco, they will not be running out. Trust me on that one. It's their only business. They offer transparent pricing without any of the games that a local coin dealer could play with you if you walk into the shop not knowing what you're doing. Be very careful with local coin dealers. Many of them operate like pawn shops, and you will lose money if you are not savvy. It's just that simple. Now, this does not happen with the gold companies that Greg and I have personally vetted on this channel, so please subscribe and check those out. Plenty of options out there for all investors and investment types. And also the one I recommend below has a great buyback program. So if you ever want to trade it back to them at any time, they will give you the most liquid option to do that. Very easy to do. And if you're lucky enough to get one of these bad boys at Costco, do remember that they have a limit of 2 bars per customer. It's also worth mentioning that the Costco bars are selling for slightly more than the spot price of gold. So again, link below, you're gonna get the best prices and everything is on the up and up. I can personally vouch for that. Now, gold has long been viewed by investors as a hedge against inflation, as well as a source of financial stability when the stock and bond markets are volatile, like right now. Over the past 5 years, as I said earlier, the price of gold has jumped over 55%. And as I told you earlier as well, people are predicting that as we enter tougher times in 2024, the price could rise substantially. In my last video, I talked about how one man predicted that we could see $100 plus daily gains on gold, which is just wild and simply a sign of what is ahead of the markets. Now, I'm holding these in my portfolio. If you're interested, check out the link below and remember to subscribe to get further economic updates.